Hey girls, I was wondering if you were getting a little hungry. Yeah, we've been discussing and it's been a while, so we're kind of hungry. Well, we all could go downstairs and grab something from the refrigerator. Sure. Okay, let's go. Wait for me. Ding. You guys coming? Yeah. What are you doing? Curious cutie. Just reading a book to my buddies. Oh. Well, what book is it? Well, Alice in Wonderland. Well, very great. Yeah, that's 'cause you're from the movie Alice in Wonderland. Let's, I guess, okay. Come on, guys. Let's go. You coming? One, go. Okay, we're here at the refrigerator. Should we open it and find something in it to eat? Yeah, totally. Let me pull it out. Oh gosh. Okay, well, here's the refrigerator anyway. Let's open it. What the heck? What's that? Yeah. Looks like slime. Well, is it slime? I don't know. Okay, well, let's open it to see if it truly is slime. That's my guess. It looks like slime. It's definitely slime. Hey guys, I think there's a surprise in the slime. But who put the slime in the refrigerator? I don't know. Someone. Bunny wishes. Did you put the slime in the refrigerator? We can put that for you. Well, thank you so much. But is there food in here for us? Yeah, we want to know if there's food. Let's look. Okay. Yeah, I might need some help. I'll help you, 80s BB. Let's see what's inside the slime. It's very sticky. Looks like some sort of, well, candy. Well, here it is. And it is candy. It looks like a lifesaver. Well, I guess they can eat this. Do you have more slime for us? Looks like she'll be back in a minute. Yeah. Wow. Thank you. Let's see what's in this slime. Oh my gosh. This is a wet slime. Wet, wet, wet. It's a wet slime. But I don't... It's a wet slime. But I like it. Is there a surprise in this one? That looks like a yes. Hey, I think I found it. It's right here. It's a Shopkin. It looks like a little purse. Technically, I don't know the name, but it's super duper duper cute. Those are fun surprises, and we get 2 new slimes actually. So yeah, and it looks like this one's glow in the dark. That's super duper cool. Yeah, glow in the dark. Are we gonna eat the candy though? I suppose. Why not? We could eat it. We'll eat it later. But thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button for more, and also subscribe for more LOL videos, and give us more ideas on what we should do. Bye.